What is resilient investing and how can it change your life? The authors of The Resilient Investor, Hal Brill, Michael Kramer, and Christopher Peck share the story of Natural Investments' third groundbreaking book. So Hal, Natural Investments has written 2 books over the last 25 years. Why did you decide to write a third book?
Well, it's because a lot has changed since 1999 when we wrote Investing with Your Values. At that time, the stock market was near its all-time high, the economy was booming, so we focused on showing investors how they could integrate their social and environmental values and they could benefit financially and help them make a better world. So this new century has greeted us with not one but 2 of the worst bear markets in recorded history. We're beset by a host of ecological and societal challenges. Many people sense that we've entered a time of complexity when things are more precarious and uncertain than they've ever been before. So based on our experience as financial advisors, we became convinced that investing really needs a reboot. This new book takes off by redefining what the very word investing means. It's not only about money, it's about our very precious time and energy and how we manage all of our resources. That way, resilient investing is for everybody. Even a young person just starting out who doesn't have much savings can become highly resilient by using the tools that we offer. So we really want to help all of our readers become more resilient, to be prepared as we head into these turbulent times.
So Michael, how can we apply this expanded definition of investing in our lives given our uncertain future?
Well, what makes the future uncertain is that there are different possible scenarios about how the future might unfold. So in the book, we lead people through a process of understanding what we consider to be the 4 major scenarios that are possible. Breakdown, which is similar to a total collapse. There's breakthrough, which might be quantum leaps in consciousness or technology to help us thrive in these turbulent times. And then there is muddle through, which is similar to how things are today. It could go in an upward trajectory or down. And part of self-identifying with where people are on this continuum of future scenarios is that they can figure out how to allocate their assets, personal and tangible and financial, across the different strategies in the resilient investing map, so that they can be as resilient as possible regardless of which type of scenario may show up. And we may have multiple scenarios all at once overlapping each other, so it's good to be prepared and ready for anything.
Christopher, one of your reviews described your resilient investing guide as the periodic table of investing. How did you come up with this framework?
So during the Great Recession, we didn't really know what was going to happen. Were we going to end up with the zombie apocalypse, or was that pain really going to push us forward to a great new age of consciousness and understanding? But uncertainty is not unfamiliar for investors. We deal with that all the time. And we have tools to deal with it, like diversification. That's really Investment Advisor 101. It's the screwdriver in the risk management toolbox. It's the standard adage, don't put all your eggs in one basket. So during that time, we were really looking for, could we help investors diversify more? And we had a big flash of realization. We realized we had 3 strategies that we've been using, and if we paired that with 3 primary assets that people invest with, that we could create a whole new map for investing. So we took the close-to-home investment strategy, the sustainable global economy strategy, and an evolutionary strategy, and we interwove that with the 3 assets, the personal assets, tangible assets, and financial assets, and created this whole new map, what we call the resilient investing map. It's got 9 zones, it's got 9 baskets, it's way more diversified. We could even have a lot more eggs in that basket if we wanted to. And what we've seen over the last couple of years is that this new map has helped people move forward, validate some of the things we've already been doing, and it creates a nice framework to hang innovation on.